Good morning. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Ooh, come on, lighting. Come on, light. Y'all see me. Come on, lighting. Come on, y'all. Praise. My God. Anyways, that was too bright. Right, this thing stays up. But good morning, y'all. Good morning, vlog. Clearly, y'all can see something is different. My face. My face is completely different. I look completely different. I look like middle school Rashad. This reminds me of middle school Rashad. With the low haircut, like it's extremely low. Good. You see why I'm wearing this hat, right? Because it ain't that low. Like there's still hair on my head, a little specks or whatever. But you know, getting ready for BMT, y'all. Getting ready for BMT. I leave in like a few days, so. Today, my festivities or celebrations start, and FareWell start today. Like, it starts today. And a few hours, I'm up early. I came to see some of my old coworkers really quick to, whatever, see them before I leave. And now I'm going to head back home, probably clean up a little bit. I'm going to the beach today. With some friends that came home from college, see them before I leave. Tonight, my parents are having my farewell dinner at Crafty Crabs. Yes, y'all, seafood. Y'all know seafood is life. Anyway, but I had no seafood for a good minute, so seafood is where it's at tonight. Anywho, sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that. In the middle of me talking, man, I don't even know what I was saying. My parents want to FaceTime me and interrupt me. But you want me to bring you something. But told y'all I had money for that. But anywho, like I was. Anyway, back on whatever the topic I was talking about, which I think I was talking about my festivities this weekend. Y'all gonna meet a lot of people this weekend. Y'all gonna meet a lot of people this weekend, and I'm gonna try to upload that National Day of Swearing vlog. I'm gonna try to upload that before I upload this. So there might be 2 videos a day, or tomorrow. Let's just say tomorrow, cause I don't know. I'm not gonna have time to do it. But yeah, y'all, it's a good day. The sun is out. I'm going, like I said, I'm going to the beach. But I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm ready. Like I'm pumped. I'm really, really pumped. So. Just spending time with friends and family this weekend, that's my main focus, and my nieces, which I need to go wherever they are, I need to find them. But y'all, I will come back to y'all eventually later on, sometime today, praying that I do. I won't forget. I'm gonna go home and charge my phone, because right now, somehow, I went to sleep without charging my phone, so my phone is on 10%. But we're gonna get back to this vlog. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna come back. When I come back, y'all might see my parents or something. But alright, y'all. Yo. I'm back.
Yo!
Y'all meet my friends.
That my baby, she from Lottie.
Look at this.
That my baby, she from Lottie.
That's Fleek.
That my baby, she from Lottie.
That's Gabby.
Hey, welcome to the vlog.
Yo.
Out here for Lottie style.
Yeah, they lit. Anyway, we out here on Fort Lauderdale Beach. It's hot. I don't know what, but we're gonna have us a good little day out here. You feel me? We're gonna have fun. You see, they hype. I ain't to get on their level because today is a day full of celebrations. Today is special to me. Having fun today, so we're gonna come back. We're gonna vlog. We're gonna be lit. Y'all, it is so hot. It's white and dark. I got dark as I don't know what. It is so hot. Yo,
it's the girl one designer dolly.
back again. Y'all, my reservation for my dinner was at 7:30. What time is it? What time is it?
I was the only one on time.
She the only one dressed on time.
It's 7:27.
It's 7:27 and we just leaving the house. I just finished getting ready. But We heading out there. Finna go eat.
By the way, y'all get at me for y'all ponytails. Look how long it is.
Look at her. You need your ponytail done. Get her. Look at Zari. Y'all, we out here. We leaving now. It's time to go eat. I had to bring my babies out. Good Tim's.
Come back, boo.
Tim, you know it, right? Gotta get the boots right. My shoe for the next, who knows how long. I look good.
By the way, my godmother's name is Corey, not Rashad.
Talking about I look like Corey in the house, bro. She playing. No! You play too much. Y'all say hey to my vlog. Okay. Yeah. Timmy! Mother!
It's somewhere near there.
You too. Mwah.
Look, you can't see a little bit.
Okay, baby. Yo, I'm back on Fort Lauderdale Beach. Back. I'm tired. Today I'm tired, y'all. It really wore me out. I'm exhausted.
It's you that's steady vlogging.
Yup, got a vlog. I got a long vlog to edit today. I'm tired, bro. If I knew how tired I am, like I'm really tired. My people are here, so it's okay.